Do you know what African black soap is? Have you used it before? Are you aware of its ancestral origins? Did you know that it has skincare benefits and help resolve skin ailments such as acne or oily skin? Let's just get straight into this video and I'll show you how I make this turmeric and ginger African black facial bar. Welcome. You're always welcome to my channel. I am Natasha, and today we are going to be using authentic African black soap in this turmeric and ginger facial bar. As you can see, I've already measured out my lye, which is very dangerous, so you always have to do your lye research before using it. And now I'm going to be measuring out my water and sugar solution. If you haven't seen my videos in the past, I always put sugar in the solution because sugar actually helps to boost the lather and the bubbles in the finished soap bar. Whenever you make any type of cold process soap, you use lye, and it's important that kids, pets, distractions, food, anything that will deter you from concentrating cannot be in the room with you. Guys, it's no joke. That lye, when it gets on your skin, it don't tickle. Trust me, it doesn't. And now you're gonna see that I'm gonna be measuring out my oils. I'm going to be measuring out my liquid oils and my hard oils. Ose Dudu, Alata Samina, and Anago Samina are some of the ways to say black soap in Africa. Ose Dudu is the way to say black soap by the Yoruba people in Nigeria, and Alata Samina is the way to say black soap in Ghana. Now, African black soap has been made for centuries, and its traditions have been passed down from our African ancestors to modern times. I've known about African black soap since I was very small. I've known it to be a great way to help with skin ailments, especially with your face. The African black soap recipe varies depending on what country in Africa it's coming from. But overall, it's made with palm oil, shea butter, and cocoa pods. It can be made with other ingredients too. It can be made with roasted plantain skin ash and the burnt cocoa pod ash that is actually filtered through water. Some other ingredients you might also find is honey, shea butter, aloe vera, lime, and camwood. What I'm showing you here is authentic African black soap. As you can see, it's not jet black. It's more of a brown color. It has some gray and white spots to it. It's not extremely hard. It does crumble when you try to break it. It's soft. It's breakable. It also lathers. It doesn't have a real scent to it. Actually, when I was using it, it has like a small ash scent to it. But you usually will break off a piece and agitate it in your hand, and it creates lather, and you use it for whatever part of your body, your face, your legs, your arms, what have you. Some people also use it to wash their hair. This is definitely not a soap you want to use every single day, guys, because it does dry out your skin. So it's something you want to use maybe up to 3 times a week. Another way that you can spot if African black soap is authentic is by the color, that is brownish in color, that it's bumpy, it's not polished or smooth, and it's not one straight color. Now there are people who sell African black soap that is a single color, but that is not the raw authentic black soap. That might be a soap that they mix some of this product in, but that's not the authentically raw black soap. And as you see here, I'm crumbling some of the pieces in a container, about 5 ounces, because I'm about to incorporate my turmeric and ginger powder with the soap, with the African black soap. This soap is very phenomenal, guys. It's very phenomenal, and it definitely has its history and what it actually does for skin, although we're not supposed to say that because we don't want the FDA coming after us, but quite frankly, it's been used for centuries, so that should tell you something. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which aids in unclogging your pores. It balances your skin, natural oils. It helps cleanse your skin, and it helps with exfoliation, and that's thanks to the ash that's in the soap. It has some health benefits. It's known to reduce acne and help with skin irritations and help with other things like eczema, but you would have to try it for yourself to see what its benefits are. Right here I'm measuring out my turmeric. I kind of want 3 different color layers of turmeric into the soap. I'm not using any colorants in this soap. I'm using the turmeric's natural color in this soap to color it. And you're going to see me measure that out in advance in the oil before I add the actual soap to it. And if you are interested in knowing how the African black soap is made traditionally in Africa, I'm going to include some links below in the description box so that you can see it. But it's a very interesting process that they do, and these individuals work hard. It's African men and women that make this soap. They work hard. They stand over hot cauldrons and they stirring this hot pot to make this beautiful product. And I think that they deserve our support because, quite frankly, it's a lot of love and energy going into that soap. And if you've been on my channel, if you've heard me make videos in the past, you know how I feel about positive energy. There's a lot of positive, loving energy that goes into making this soap, and so the benefits will come to you. As a matter of fact, in one of the videos, one of the women who make the soap said that they're not allowed to make this soap if they're angry or quarreling with anybody. They're not allowed to even be there to help in the process of making this soap. So that should tell you how much positive energy is important in making this the raw African black soap. Now, the process of making African black soap in Africa is pretty incredible, to know that this has passed down from generation to generation over many centuries through our ancestors. So from what I've seen, they take palm kernel oil and they boil it. They boil it in a giant cauldron or a giant pot, and then they take cocoa pod ash, or they'll take plantain skin ash, which has already been filtered through water, and then they'll add it a portion at a time to the boiling palm kernel oil. And this oil is very hot. You have to put it in very carefully. It bubbles and foams to the top, and then the mixture is stirred vigorously until it becomes like a sticky, dry mixture. That mixture is then shoveled out with a heated shovel and put into another container or another pot, and there it is pounded and pounded and pounded. The whole mixture is pounded, and then you start seeing the beauty of the soap unfold. Once it's pounded, it's then moved to another container where ashes are then added to the mixture, and then the soap is molded into like a giant ball or a giant mound. And then after that, the soap is separated into crumbles, it's dried out more, and then it's packed for sale. It's like a beautiful process, you guys. Check out the links below. There's other YouTubers who actually went to Ghana, and you see how this process is made. Right here, you see me pouring the soap mix into the turmeric, and look at that beautiful color. It is just a beautiful natural color, but it's not going to stay this color in the soap. When the soap cures and dries, it actually becomes like a lighter beigey brown color, but that's okay because it's still natural. It's adding to the beautifulness of the African black soap that I've added, so this becomes a really multifunctional, awesome soap. I have added the beautiful black African soap to my mix, and you see how it looks in the ginger. That's such a pretty color, but it's not gonna look like that. Now guys, this is where things get kind of rocky. We do recover, just a warning, it just gets a little messy, you know what I'm saying, but I really do recover. The soap comes out beautiful. Just stick it out with me. Now we talked already a little bit about how African black soap has known skin benefits, but there are skin benefits that turmeric adds, and some of those benefits include: it helps with acne by stopping the growth of acne-causing bacteria. It helps to fade dark spots and blemishes due to hyperpigmentation. It's an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, so it has those properties that help boost microcirculation, and it helps give the skin an even tone and a brighter appearance. It helps combat eczema, and it also helps to prevent premature aging. Basically, this soap is packed with goodies. It's packed with a whole lot of goodies. However, if you want to check and do your due diligence and research on the benefits of turmeric on the skin, look it up. Look up the benefits of turmeric, look up the benefits of African black soap on the skin, and look up the benefits of ginger for the skin. It's so funny how Mother Nature has provided us with natural ingredients to help us deal with the things that we have trouble with our skin on an everyday basis. It's just a wonderful revelation to realize that we can look in our backyard and get things that helps us deal with ailments of our skin. About 2 days later, and look at that beautiful, look at the soap, look at the interest, look at the abstractness of it. You know this soap is gonna do you good. It has turmeric, it has ginger, it has shea butter, it has actual African black soap in it. It has avocado oil in it. This soap is gonna do somebody some happiness. And look at that. It's just a beautiful, abstract, natural soap. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. This soap is awesome. This soap is awesome. And the reason why you see is bowing on the side is the middle part of the soap was so it got really rigid, and it cured faster than the two panels on the side, so that's why it's bowing, but that's okay. That's why it's called homemade soap, but it's still gonna work. It ain't broken soap. It's gonna do its thing. But look how beautiful that is, guys. That is beautiful. Now I purchased these stamps. One has like a nice little design, leaf design on it, and the other one says handmade. These are so cute, guys. I mean, they are so cute. I think they add to the design of the soap. And once you see how they look in the soap, let me know below how you feel about the stamp. Do you think it complements the soap? Which one you like more? Do you like the one that says handmade, or do you like the one that's just the design? See, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think I'm a little bit too attached to soap, guys. It's so cute. It looks so nice in your bathroom. Like if you have a nice, let's say that's your color palette in your guest bathroom or in your home bathroom. That would look beautiful. Anyway, let me know below which one you guys like the most, because I had a difficult time trying to figure out which one to use for the soap bars. By now you notice the color of the soap is not that mustardly yellow color that was in the beginning when I was mixing it, but that's okay. Now I've made this soap with other essential oils. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let me know which one you guys like. But I've made this soap with lavender and vanilla essential oil. I've made it with tea tree oil. I made it unscented. If you want to see those videos, let me know. Guys, protect your energy. A lot of love went into Africans who made Black African soap. There's a lot of love I put into making this soap. And thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you guys so much. Protect your energy and watch the rest of my videos. Have an awesome week, you guys.